Good morning, children. Today we will deal with the second part of the chapter, Lost Spring, Stories of Stolen Childhood. And this part is, I want to drive a car. This is a story of Mukesh, who is the son of a poor bangle maker of Firozabad, where every other family is engaged in making bangles. Firozabad is famous for its glass bangles. It's a center of India's glass blowing industry. Here, families have spent generations working around furnaces, welding glass, making bangles for all the women in the land. Children like Mukesh are born in the caste of bangle makers. They know no other work. They see only bangles, bangles and bangles. In the house, in the yard, in every other house, every other yard and every street of Firozabad. The spirals of bangles lie in mounds in unkempt yards. The colorful bangles are piled up on four-wheeled hand carts. The bangles are of every color born out of the 7 colors of the rainbow. These are sunny gold, paddy green, royal blue, pink and purple. You know, children, boys and girls with their fathers and mothers sit in the hutments, means dingy cells, next to the lines of flames of flickering oil lamps. They weld pieces of colored glass into circles of bangles. Their eyes are more adjusted to the dark than to the light outside. Miserably, these poor children often end up losing eyesight before they become adults. Even the dust from polishing the glass of bangles is injurious to eyes. The furnaces have very high temperature and therefore very dangerous. These bangle makers are ignorant of the fact that employing children in bangle making is illegal. This is a hazardous industry. Many children become blind before reaching their adulthood. If law is enforced strictly, 20,000 children would be released from working hard throughout the day at hot furnaces at high temperatures. But Mukesh insists on being his own master. I will be a motor mechanic, he announces. The author, Anis Jung, asks, do you know anything about cars? I will learn to drive a car, Mukesh answers, looking straight into her eyes. His dream looks like a mirage amidst the dust of streets. Dear children, you might be wondering what is so great in driving a car or becoming a motor mechanic. But my dear children, the condition or situation of the poor children who are engaged in bangle making is entirely different from the way of life you are leading. They feel that it is a God-given lineage that can never be broken. It's a family business which cannot be broken. Most of the young men of Firozabad have no initiative or ability to dream. But Mukesh is an exception. He has strong willpower and courage to break from the traditional family occupation. He is even ready to walk down to a garage which is miles away to learn to drive a car. Okay, children, we'll continue tomorrow. Thank you.